So it's the Foambeak. I'm gonna show you this little tool. I did a video on it, Instagram reel, and it got millions of views. And somebody made the comment, what does this thing have to do with painting? So that's a good question. I do keep spray foam in my vehicle for times and occasions when I need to fill a huge gap. There's kind of various different situations where I use it. I've used it in multiple different videos. And so this device is, maybe it doesn't have anything to do with painting, but sometimes I like to just show really cool things. I saw this thing at a hardware show, and what this thing does is you got a spray foam, a can of spray foam right here, sprays out. Let's see, I'll show you, see if we can get this thing working. Whoa, that was pretty wild. Guess we'll have to clean that mess up here in a second. So it just sprays out a small bead of foam like that right there. And the Foambeak is a device you can hook to the end of your spray can of foam, and instead of a small little stream of foam coming out, it's going to spread it out. So this device was created to insulate bathtubs and shower surrounds. And instead of trying to do a whole shower surround, with a small bead of foam, you can take the Foambeak here, and now it'll spray out a large 3-inch swath of foam, just like that. And what it does is it also has a large surface area, so vertically it will actually hang vertically and not fall off the ceiling. So you can spray it vertically or horizontally on the surface, just like that. So pretty cool. Sprays out, once again, a 3-inch swath. You can actually go a little bit faster and the swath will be a little bit smaller, but you can check it out right there. So this versus that's how much faster you can spray foam tub surround. It says on here for insulating sinks, dishwashers, hot tubs. So I got a hot tub, and where I thought this would be really cool is insulating my hot tub. So I could take the panels off the hot tub, get some spray foam cans, I can insulate my hot tub, and I'm gonna save a lot of money keeping my hot tub heated and insulated. So it's called the Foambeak. It's, again, may not have anything to do with painting, you may not think, but I'm gonna keep keep a set of them in my vehicle. They come 3 to a pack. And somebody did ask me on that video that went crazy on TikTok. They said, well, how are you gonna clean it? You don't clean it, you just throw it away. That's why it comes in a 3-pack. A can of spray foam, you can't clean the tube anyways. If there's only a half a can left, I toss the cans away because that tube just gets clogged, and even if the tube doesn't get clogged, the tip of the spray foam gets clogged. If you have any tips or tricks on how to keep them from getting clogged and using a half a can and being able to use it several weeks down the road, leave it down in the comment section below. But that's it. It's the Foambeak. You can find them at paintlifesupply.com if you're interested in them. If you've got any other suggestions where you might use one of these things, just put it in the comment section below. There you have it. Foambeak out.